Introducing the 2020 Volvo XC60 T8 Twin-N Phev INZAT with a sleek black exterior, 2-litre engine, and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type. This stylish estate Jeep boasts top-notch comfort features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Safety is paramount with ABS, collision alert, and lane departure warning. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty, this Volvo is your perfect fit. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind with the Volvo XC60 T8 Twin-N Phev INZAT.